Hello guys, Jamil here with DealersGear. Today we're gonna talk about BDC. In this video, I'm gonna cover a few questions that dealers usually ask. They either don't know what a BDC is or they don't know how to start a BDC at their dealership. BDC stands for Business Development Center, and from the name you already can tell the meaning of developing or improving. Having a BDC at your dealership is the best way to improve the process and customer satisfaction. BDC usually handles all the inbound and outbound phone calls that relates to the leads, whether the leads are coming from the website or third-party listings. Who should manage the BDC team? We usually look for somebody with an automotive experience plus with some phone experience, because combining the automotive experience with the phone experience will get you the best outcome when handling the leads. So you need that person to know how to train people, how to teach them how to answer the phone calls and teach them about the inventory at your dealership. We usually recommend having a BDC for people with high volume, dealership with a high volume like 1,500, 2,000, 3,000. Some people get 5,000 leads a month and they give it to the salespeople. All these leads, most of the time, they go to waste. That's why you should hold the BDC accountable for all the leads, all the phone calls that come to the dealership. We usually recommend a BDC meeting and reporting every Monday. So every Monday you should have a meeting with your BDC and take all the leads that they handled and look at them and give the information to your manager or to the sales manager and see the return on investment of all your marketing channels. At the same time, you can see how each agent is handling the leads and the closing ratio for each of them. Finally, should you have a BDC off-site or on-site your dealership? The worst thing you can do for yourself is hiring an off-site BDC. You want to make sure that you have hands-on on all your teams, from BDC, from salespeople, service, anything at the dealership. So having an off-site BDC, it's not a good idea. I see so many people on Facebook with all these ads. They're trying to sell the BDC and the off-site BDC idea. This is a no-no, guys. We've been to so many dealers and we tracked so many numbers and we know that it does not work. You want to have hands-on on your team. You want to make sure your BDC are handling the phone calls and the leads the way you want them to handle. Okay guys, so if you need help structuring a BDC, training your current BDC, or auditing your BDC, give us a call at 949-923-0190, or you can drop us a line at support@dealersgear.com. I look forward to helping you. Thank you.